Hello and welcome to this training session in cleaning surfaces and floors. At the beginning we have to pack this box. This is a 22-liter box. You have to pack one of these small boxes inside it. This is a 5-liter box. You have your cloth inside. You have also to pack your toilet cleaner, a glass cleaner and a universal cleaner. If you have a lot of surfaces with glasses, you also have this glass mop, two-side, and you have a frame that fits the mop. When you arrive to the toilet, open the toilet seat, press some of the water out of the toilet, like this. Take your toilet cleaner from the box, put a little toilet cleaner around the edges. A good idea is to foam it up like this, so it will stick to the surfaces. Then just leave it for a while. Then you take your cloth from Vileda, your glass surface spray, spray it directly on the cloth, clean the mirror from top to bottom. Then you turn the cloth around like this. Take your universal cleaner, spray it on the cloth, clean the sink like this. You can turn the cloth again, put a little bit more, and then clean this one. At the end, you need to clean the rest of the toilet. Please take the red cloth from Tork, the disposable ones with holes in it. Put a little bit of surface cleaner on the cloth. Open the lid. Wash the toilet. Close the lid. Press the button. Then you can clean the surfaces. Please start at the top. Then the lid, the seat, and the edges of the toilet. Close the lid and throw this one out. If you need to clean the doors, please take your universal cleaner and your cloth. Spray the universal cleaner on the cloth. Do not spray it directly on the door. And then you start in the upper right corner. And then you work your way all the way down to the bottom, and last you take the handle like this, and then you're done. When you have been cleaning the floors at the toilet, please do not take the mop into public areas or into the restaurant. Please take off the mop out here and put it to wash.